At Vilo, we take pride in the partnerships we've built with internet service providers from Washington State to Kentucky and the Americas to Oceania. We've been working with ISPs like you to provide a delightful subscriber experience, reduce your operating cost, and grow your business.
As an ISP, ensuring subscribers' happiness is paramount to your success. Today's internet users demand Wi-Fi that reaches every corner of their home and a network that's capable of connecting even more smart devices than ever before. That's why we created the Vilo Mesh Wi-Fi system, so you can offer your subscribers whole home coverage and seamless connectivity. And with Vilo's pre-configured mesh design, setting up internet in your customers' homes is as easy as plug and play.
Happy customers happily pay. That's why our mesh Wi-Fi systems come with the Vilo app, a free subscriber-facing app with parental controls, device management, and guest Wi-Fi features that'll give your customers an easy self-service tool to manage their home network.
And ensuring your subscribers have an excellent Wi-Fi experience is even easier with the Vilo ISP portal. We've worked closely with the ISP community to develop Vilo's remote management system so that you can configure, monitor, and troubleshoot your subscriber networks without having to do truck rolls.
And we're not stopping there. We're actively working with our ISP community, implementing new features to meet and exceed your needs. So when you want to grow your business even further, you have a partner you can trust.
We understand that we're in this together. That's why we earnestly listen to your pain points and innovate new ways to resolve them. Because at Vilo, we care about your business. Because your success is our success.